Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you that are new here, I'm Megan. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how I style and slay this wig. Y'all, it's been a minute since I installed a wig and I think I did a pretty good job. So I'm going to be showing you how I installed this wig. This is a custom made wig. It does have a lace closure, and so yes, if you're interested, please keep on watching, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Let's get started. All right, first things first, let's get into this hair. I am loving the custom color. I got this wig from, and her name is Hair by Raina, and I'm gonna go ahead and pop it on the screen right here. She has a hair company called Your Royal Tresses, and this is her personal page where she displays, you know, her different wigs that she makes. I have been eyeing her for a very long time, and then finally I decided to go ahead and purchase, and I am definitely happy that I purchased this wig. I am definitely pleased with everything. Customer service was A1. I got my wig in time, and yes, I love the way she has made the wig. Very high quality hair, and so yes, I am just loving it. So anyway, I wanted to go ahead and tell you a little bit about it. It does have a lace closure, and I'm on her website right now. Being that it was custom made, I just told her pretty much what style I wanted and the color. I told her I wanted a certain color, and I opted for like subtle honey blonde, and that I definitely think she delivered. It is a little bit heavy in the front, but I do not mind it at all. When I received the wig, it was already styled, but I wore it a couple of times and the style kind of faded away, so I had to rewash it. And of course it is raw bundle, so it came back pretty curly, so I decided to just straighten it a little bit so that way it could take the wand curls just a little bit better when I decided to go ahead and style it. So here is the wig, and like I said, construction just impeccable. Like, I love the way she constructed it. Very neat, and she did a good job. I love that it has an elastic band. It feels secure when I put it on. I'm gonna go ahead and try it on right quick so y'all can see what I'm working with, honey. And they say blondes have more fun, and I'm ready to have some fun. But whoa. Y'all, when I wore this wig out, when I tell you I got so much compliments, I had people like saying, let me take a picture of your hair. You know, I want my hairstylist to do it like this. I'm definitely impressed and pleased. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and do my wand curls, and I have my wand curler by Hot Tools, and it is from ULTA. And you know, I had to get the girly one because I love all things that have, you know, pretty colors and look pretty. But this is my wand curler, and all I did when I straightened my hair, well, not my hair, but the wig, is I added just a little bit of oil because it's not as silky as it would be, and I'm assuming that's because it's color treated. But normally, you know, bundles are kind of silky. It's not that silky. But anyway, I also added some mousse to contain the flyaways, and I think I did a good job at this wand curl. What y'all think? Loving it. All right, so now is the time to go ahead and install. Disclaimer, it has been a minute since I played with some lace, y'all. So, you know, just continue to watch. All right, y'all, so now it's time to melt the lace. As you can see, the lace is not melted. So what I'm going to do is get some foundation. I am going to get the foundation and put it on the lace area. And then I'm also going to put a little foundation on my wig cap so everything could just, you know, melt and just mix you know, where it could look like it's growing from the scalp. Now I'm using my Got to Be Glued Free Spray, and I've been watching so many tutorials, and I found that just freezing it, spraying the spray on top of the lace was the easiest thing. So now what I'm doing is with a rat tail comb, and I'm telling y'all, a rat tail comb is key. Like, you need one with a little skinny metal tip so you can get each part of the lace. Now, there was a mistake I did, and as you can see, I don't know if you can see real good right now, but I was allowing that freeze spray, I was allowing that freeze spray to just drip, and I should have wiped it off because it caused some problems for my little makeup that I was doing. And anyway, so I went ahead and freeze sprayed the lace down. Now, another tip that I did not do, and next time I will do, is, as you can see, I'm trying to lay the weight. Oh, Lord, I can't talk today. I'm trying to lay the lace all at once. I should have started on one side and then, you know, worked my way around, because by the time I got to the next side of it, the freeze spray wasn't melted on, and so yeah, it was kind of like rough. I had to keep doing it over and over, but I finally got it. I hope I'm making some sense. But anyway, as you can see, I am now blow drying it on a cool setting. I'm pressing that little button so it can be cool, and then I'm gonna cut the excess lace. Do y'all see the matching scissors with the matching Hot Tools curl wand? Y'all know I'll be extra. All right, so now once we get all that lace off, and y'all see how much I'm concentrating, I didn't want to cut myself. I'm gonna take a hot comb and just kind of press where the part is so it can be as flat as possible, or you can use a curling iron, but yeah, this was real easy to use. And as you can see, a chunk of my foundation is missing. That's because I allowed that freeze spray to dry on my face, and that's what I was talking about earlier, the mistake I made. So now what's going to happen is, now I need to continue to blend, because as you can see, you can still see the lace, like what's going on. So I went ahead and I put some more foundation, got my little stuff together, and boom, the lace has been melted. Y'all let me know down below what you think. I am enjoying wearing this unit, this wig. It is just bomb.com. I feel like a brand new person, y'all. I feel like a brand new person. So comment down below if you like it. Don't forget to like the video, and also please do not forget to subscribe and join the fam. All right, guys. Well, until my next video, bye.